No, welcome. No, welcome. Let's begin. I have my notebook here. Of course, we'll continue with phrases because this week is phrases week. I told you. You must learn Igbo this week. And here we have Kedu Odiri Nri Ichoro. Kedu Odi Nri Ichoro. Kedu Odi Nri Ichoro. What kind of food do you want? Maybe you're in the East, maybe you're in a place they speak Igbo more often, and you go to the restaurant. These are the words or the sentence you'll be hearing most of the time there. Half of the time, or almost full of the time you're there. This is the question. This is what you're going to be hearing from different customers that are trooping in. Kedu Odinri Ichoro. What kind of food do you want? And we have here Kaike Anwa. Let us share this meat. 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 And we also have Nyeya Otu Oluma. Nyeya Otu Oluma. Nyeya Otu Oluma. Give her or him one orange. And we have Nyeya Mbechara Achicha. Nyeya Mbechara Achicha. Nyeya Mbechara Achicha. Nyeya Mbechara Achicha. It means you should give her slice of bread. We also have Biko Tinyetu Ose na nri a. 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 Basically means please put salt, put pepper in this food. Ose is pepper. Put pepper in this food. We also have Eji Azu Asa Sie pepper soup. Eji Azu Asa Sie pepper soup. Eji Azu Asa Sie pepper soup. Azu Asa is the name of fish. Do you understand? It's the name of fish. So Eji Azu Asa Sie pepper soup. They used whatever name of the meat it is to make this pepper soup. Eji Azu Asa Sie pepper soup. We also have Ogede Ahụrụ ahụ abụghị nri na-ahụ n'anya. 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 Do you understand? Whatever food ogede, whatever food you're calling, plantain is not plantain. Roasted plantain is not something you like eating. Yam is not something you like eating. You know, that's basically it. Ogede ahụrụ ahụ abụghị nri na-amasị m iri. Do you understand? And we go back to the next one, which is Achọrọ m ite anụ. Achọrọ m ite anụ. Achọrọ m ite anụ. Achọrọ m ite anụ. I want the pot of meat. Achọrọ m ite anụ. Achọrọ m ite anụ. And we have again here as naanị anụ a. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. I just want to eat only meat. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. Naanị anụ ka m chọrọ ịta. Do you understand? I want to eat only meat. It's only meat I want to eat. I don't want to eat nothing less than only meat. And we have again here Kedu Odiri Osikapa Ịchọrọ ịtụ. Kedu Odiri Osikapa Ịchọrọ ịtụ. Kedu Odiri Osikapa Ịchọrọ ịtụ. What kind of rice do you want me to help you and buy? Ịtụ. You're asking someone to help you and buy something. So in Atonya here, I'm telling the person to help me and buy something from the market. So Kedu udiri anu ị chọrọ ịtụ? Yes, I will have kedu udi osikapa ị chọrọ ịtụ? What kind of rice do you want to buy? Kedu udiri osikapa ị chọrọ ịtụ? This is basically someone that is close to you. You're begging the person to help you buy something. Not like if you see a stranger or something, you start asking stupid questions. This question shows that this word shows that the person is already good with the other person. Do you understand? And the other person is going to market while the other needs assistance. Do you get? Kedu udi osikapa ị chọrọ ịtụ? Nri a amasị m. Nri a amasị m. Like, I don't want to eat this food. I'm done with this food. I don't want to eat it. Nri a amasị m. And we have anụ a buru ibu nke ukwuu. This meat is very big. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I forgot to tell you guys to subscribe at the middle of this video. Yes, please subscribe if you have watched to this point. Give this video a thumbs up, because when you do, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. And thank you for sticking around, my OG. Thank you for always coming back every time I upload. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day.